Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Canva website clickable. First, open your Canva website design. Select the element you wish to make clickable, such as text, an image, or a button. Look for the link icon in the toolbar at the top of your screen. This simple step is crucial for creating an interactive experience for your visitors, guiding them smoothly through your content. To add a link, highlight the text or click the image you want to make interactive. A small chain link icon will appear in the toolbar above your design. Click this icon, and a box will pop up where you can paste your destination URL. This could be another page on your site, an external website, or even an email address. Press Enter to apply the link. For buttons, the process is very similar. Select the button, click the link icon, and then paste your URL. Canva also allows you to link directly to other pages within your own Canva website. This is perfect for creating a seamless navigation experience. Just choose the page from the drop-down menu instead of pasting an external URL. Always double-check your links. Before publishing, always preview your website to ensure all your links are working correctly. Click on every linked element to confirm it directs to the intended destination. Once you are satisfied, click the Publish Website button. This makes your interactive Canva site live for everyone to see. Remember to check the description for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals. Your visitors will appreciate the smooth navigation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.